So we are going to complete our app now. So we have left with some part, and first we have to click on the drop down menu on column 4 and add a button there. We have left that and change its text to next, and to button 3 next. And now we are going to change its text color to black and background color to white. And now we are going to add, now we are going to do coding. So our first part of coding is to main screen, button 1 game, and button 2 chatbot coding. So we have to click on button 1 game. When button 1 game click, set screen to or navigate to game title screen, and then we have to copy paste it, and then we have to change when button 2 chatbot click, navigate to chatbot screen. So now our coding for main screen is done. Now we are going to code for game title screen, and when button 1 click, change means navigate to game screen. We are not going to code for game screen now. We are going to code for game screen at last. And when one screen click, when button 2 click, set navigate to main screen. And coding part for one screen is also done. And now when button 3 next click, navigate to main screen. Now see, there are only buttons coding here, but when it comes to but game screen, there is so much coding, and we have missed one thing. Means when first we are going to code to move dustbin. If we have to go in, let me see. And if you have not designed the app, you must see my first video. I will I have put the link in I. And what I was saying we missed was, in designing we have to come on game screen. Then first we must close the tab. It is occupying so many space. So first we have to add a row beneath it, and then fit contents, and then we have to change its horizontal alignment to space around, and then we have to put two more images and change its to image 3, left, and change its to absolute size to 50. Yes, 50 is more than enough. And then we have to add one more button and change its absolute size to 50, and also its weight width. And then we have to rename change its id to image 4 right. And then you have to go to Google or any other browser and write arrow png, and you have to save image as right arrow, and then you have to same do for left. I'm gonna take, I must see which I've taken, or they will look different. Okay, so I have taken like this, so I must take this. Save image as left arrow. Now we have to add a test here also. So a set is added and left arrow.png. So see, we have put it both the arrows. They are looking different, but it is fine. So now we will come to blocks. When in game screen, when image 3 left click, set image once so with to logic this one and then plus. I have taken the wrong one. We have to go in math, not in logic. When you go to math, there is a plus operator. Then in first one you have to take image one's height, sorry, width plus 10, and when image right click control V, then image for right click, set image 1 minus, you have to see when you will do you have to put plus in image for right and minus in image 3 left. Okay, so now we have to do coding for, so we have to do for image 2. So first we have to go in control, count from I, not we have to do forever. First we have to take count from I to 10 by 100, or say 200 by 1, 200 by 10, and then you have to take image 1 picture. When image 1 picture click, count with I from 1 to 200 by 10 forever, and forever we have to do it again. Wait, I will be back in 1 minute. So we have to do some changings in our coding and designing part. So first we have to come in game screen, and then we have to add a label here in call and write yeah, you put it, you put it. So we have to write label yeah, you put garbage, you put garbage in dustbin. And now, and we have to make it invisible or visibility to false. And now we are going to code for it. When image 3 left click, navigate to game title screen, and when image 4 right click, so navigate to main screen. We will not put game one screen. And when image for right click, then when image to click means image to garbage click, set image to visibility to false. And now when game screen opens, set image to visible to false means true, because when we will open it again, it will show it, the image will not come. And when image to click, we have to make label 6 visible to true. And when game screen opens, label 6 visible to false. And now our coding part is finally done. Just one part is remaining. When image to click, we have to then also navigate if and block both the sides equals to then in first means here we have to add label 6 visible equals to true, and image 2's visible equals to false. Navigate to game 1 screen. And now we have to come in on game title screen, and we have to remove score 10 20 points, or we have to delete this label 3. And now our coding is finally done, and now we will test our app. Wait 1 minute. Yes, now Swacch Bharat Abhiyan. First we'll play a game. Here it is. We will come again to main screen. By clicking on this button, we will come again to title screen, and when we will click to yay, you won. And now chatbot. See, answer is coming. And next click. Yay, our app is finally working. So if you also want to make this apps, you must subscribe my channel and like this video. I will be back like this apps. Till that time, bye.